In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share live location on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Get in the chat, and after that, head over to a conversation or group chat. Now, in order to share your live location, all you have to do is just hit plus sign on your iPhone or add a touch button on your Android. And then just select location. That will show you your current location and some suggested locations in that list. That's where you can share your live location simply by hitting at that link. And on that step, it may ask you to give a permission for WhatsApp app to access your location, and once you did that, just select the time during reach that function of sharing your live location. I will be active. You can set it to 8 hours, 1 hour or 15 minutes, and then just hit at send bottom. Recipients will see this pop up, and they will be able to tap on it to see your live location, and also you in any time can do the same and hit as stop sharing to stop sharing your live location, obviously. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.